If your dishwasher is leaking near either corner of the door, the corner baffles could be the cause of the leak. The corner baffles can become distorted, causing water to leak out of your dishwasher. If the baffles shrink due to age and hot water, they should be replaced to prevent leaking at the corners of the dishwasher. They are very easy to replace with no tools required. This is an easy fix. Simply pull out the lower dish rack. This will allow you to easily reach the two baffles inside the machine. There are two baffles, one on each corner. Just reach down and pull both the right and the left sides out. The left baffle will only fit on the left side, and the right baffle will only fit on the right side. Info on where you can purchase these two black rubber baffles, also known as gaskets, can be found down in my description box. Now you're ready to put in your brand new baffles. Push them down all the way and make sure they are seated into place.